What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here. Welcome to the jungle. We're gonna be doing some CQC techniques straight from the boss. Not Big Boss, but the boss, his mentor. You're gonna see an awesome knife disarm and then quick takedown right after. So check this out. All right, so you've seen there from the gameplay footage, this is where the boss disarms Snake real quick and then takes him down, showing that he's got no skill against her. The first strike that comes in, Snake comes in with a wide downward diagonal slash in the forward grip. Boss is gonna sidestep and block that with her left hand. So you see from the footage, it's very subtle, but she slides down to grab that wrist to get to that wrist lock. From here, she guides the knife to her wrist and is gonna eject the knife and strike Snake at the same time using her elbow. Boom, right to the rib cage. Then from here, after the strike, she's gonna use the 2-on-1 here and her shoulder to push and pull. She's pulling with her hands and pushing with her shoulder to hyperextend and lock out this arm to cause some pain and to get him to move forward. Very subtly, you see at the bottom of the frame, her knee is lifted up. That means she's gonna kick that knee out and trip at the same time, pushing forward with the arm lock. Boom. And that's what gets your throw and puts him down on the ground. So one of the main things I liked about this fight move was that she first stops the flow of the knife. He comes in with the slash, and she first makes contact there, forearm to forearm, and then gets to the wrist to gain control and get to that wrist lock to where you get the disarm. Now, in reality, after you stop the flow of the knife, you would really want to hit them first, right in the eyes or in the ear, get your 2-on-1 control, and then possibly go for your throw, or even the disarm or knife reversal. One of the things I didn't really like about this move was that after we make contact here, it's good, she stops the flow of the knife, but immediately goes into that wrist lock. Now, if Chris here isn't being a very nice cooperative person, you know, from this position here, he could just pull his knife away, and then now I'm SOL on that disarm. So after I make that contact and stop the flow of the knife, I want to get this and try to get a hit in as fast as I can. Then you want to get to 2-on-1 control even before you go for that disarm, because still you want to make sure you have control of this blade for at least 1 second. At this point, we could put in headbutt, knee, maybe another strike with the elbow. After you put those hits in, now he's not thinking about his grip anymore on that knife. So you've distracted him with pain. That's when you go for your disarm or knife reversal here, and you can take him down from there after you strip that weapon. So there you have it for this Fit Gamer fight move straight from the boss, Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater. And it's a great knife disarm she does against Snake. So be sure to leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions on this particular technique, if you think it's realistic, if you think it's unrealistic. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks to Chris for getting down and dirty with this one in the jungle. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, game on, stay fit, keep on training. See ya. Yeah. Getting down and dirty.